Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful DeLonghi Espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. I'm gonna try to find the part here. I thought I had it. Here we go. This is the part we replaced. So this is called the Kanen valve, and it's kind of deep inside the machine. And it's often when this machine doesn't work, if it's not the pump, if the coffee's not coming out the front or the diffuser, then it's often the Kanen valve. And that was the case with this one. Now let's pull some steam. But this Kanen valve kind of sits like this, right in the front, kind of in here. You have to take a fair amount of stuff off to get to it. Bunch of hoses, bunch of panels, a lot of screws. And then let's go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like the videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.